Hey Divas, Danae the Diva here. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how I achieved this look. I am wearing Passion Twist and I am wearing hair that I purchased from Amazon. I chose Dorsani hair, and again I'll link this below. It had a lot of great reviews. This is the color 1B and I got her in 22 inches. It came with 6 or 7 packs of hair. I can't remember. I think it's 7 packs of hair. I used 2.5, and so I definitely have more if I want to kind of, redo this hairstyle or do something else. I love that it came with 7 packs of hair and it was only $45, so I think that was great. To achieve this look, I did use the Curls Creme Brulee Whipped Curl Cream. I also used the Eco Styler Gel, the color pink. And I used Beeswax by Murray's to keep my flyaways down, and then to seal everything up I used the NAIROBI Wrapp-It Shine Foaming Lotion to kind of bring it all together. For my edges I just used a nice little edge control. So if you are interested in this look, please keep on watching. I am starting off with freshly washed air dried hair. This hair does come with a crochet needle. Last time I did this style I did not do crochet, I actually twisted it, but this time I'm going to use this beautiful hair that's 22 inches and I'm going to crochet it myself. My hair is completely parted and ready for these Passion Twist. So I just did some ponytails, medium size, nothing too special. So I will go ahead and get started. So it's 22 inches curled, not 22 inches straightened out, but actually curled. It's very long hair. I'm gonna go in with my pressed edges. I'm gonna get 2 strands of the hair that I have. And this is how the twist is going to look. It looks very natural. It looks like it's my hair because I'm covering up that rubber band. But what I do is I go ahead and remove that rubber band and I saturate my hair with the product, get that nice and sleek, and then I prepare it for twisting. For those of you who want a more secure style, feel free to add a knot once you crochet the hair in, but I did not do that since this is a style I don't plan on wearing long, so I decided to just use that crochet needle and bring that through and pull half of the hair through and then even it out before I twist. As I mentioned, if you'd like to add a knot, feel free to do that before you pull the hair completely through. And so once you have your hair secured, go ahead and add some product to your hands, whether it's your gel or it's your beeswax, whatever your hair is telling you you need, that's what you should use, and twist all the way to the end, and that is how it will look. And you'll repeat this process throughout your entire head. If you're having difficulty crocheting, feel free to get close to a mirror and also feel around for the needle. It's very easy to find with your hands as you are doing this hairstyle. Another helpful tip is after you pull the hair through underneath the ponytail, go ahead and section out the extension and then separate your hair into the 2 twists so that you can twist it all the way down, making sure it's neat and adding product to secure those flyaways. One of my favorite products to use to secure those flyaways is beeswax. It's very thick and it helps me lay my hair down, which I absolutely love. Very simple, very quick and easy, and it has a nice little shine to it. One thing I love about this hairstyle is the parts don't have to be perfect, the twists don't have to be perfect. Honestly, the more that you wear this style, the better it looks. So of course you want to have some sleek edges, make them look cute, but the longer you wear this hairstyle, it looks very natural and it looks like it's intentional, so this is absolutely one of my favorite styles. Now this hairstyle does not require rubber bands, so for those of you who don't want to use rubber bands or elastic bands, feel free to twist those. You can do it with the same method as you would Senegalese twists, but I decided to do this just because when I did it last time, it didn't last as long as I would like. My hair started to slide out from the twist, and I found that this is a better alternative. That way my hair is anchored down under the rubber band. Now in the front, I am going through each piece, taking out the rubber band to re-smooth my edges. You do not have to do that, that's just my preference to kind of make it look real good. So after you have your edges how you want them, go ahead and secure it down with the rubber band if you use them. Add some moisturizer. Go ahead and crochet the hair into your ponytail and twist all the way down, adding moisturizer, gel, and beeswax whenever you're needed to. And this is how my hair looks. I actually thought that was super cute to wear, you know, some twists and a little fro in the back. Holla at me, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I did it in the middle. Very simple, very straightforward. This process is the same throughout the entire head. Just want to give you an up close view, and this is it, honestly. Now for those of you who didn't know, I am doing a no heat hair challenge for all 2020 with my girl The Chic Natural, and let me tell you, this has been a complete challenge for me because even when it comes to doing my hair, I keep my hair tamed with a blow dryer. So this has been definitely a huge experience for me, a huge experience and experiment, but so far I'm going strong. I've been just wearing a lot of protective styles, trying to get my hair to grow and, you know, stay healthy. Seeing as though this is my first time doing a no heat hair challenge, especially for a year, I am so proud of myself. I've stuck with it, so I can't wait to give you guys an updated video. As it relates to this hairstyle, I am completely finished, so I'm just going to use this NAIROBI Wrap-It Shine Foam Lotion to secure the look. Now this, my friends, my divas, my queens, is the finished hairstyle. I really love how it looks. I love how it feels. It's so very lightweight, and this is one of my favorite go-to styles this year. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love the hair. It is so beautiful and so long. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. How much hair you use, of course, that changes, but overall I really love the density of the hair. It's so beautiful. Now I could have added a little bit more twist up top, but I didn't want to do too much. I just kind of wanted it to be nice and lightweight. I really love how this came out. I absolutely love this hair. This style is so beautiful, very easy to twist. It really feels like my own hair, just longer. Definitely click on the link to get this hair if you are interested. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you for those who continue to come back to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.